DJ Ware Develops back with another code along with the FreeCodeCamp tutorial series. Right now we're going to be working on a cat photo app instructed by Code Academy. FreeCodeCamp, sorry. Let's see what we got here. We got okay. In this workshop, you will continue working with basic HTML elements like headings, paragraphs, and lists by building a cat photo app. Begin the workshop by adding H1 element with the text of cat photo app. Step 2. Below the H1 element, add an H2 element with this text, cat photos. Step 3. Create a P element below your H2 element and give it the following text. Everyone loves cute cats online. So we're going to go ahead, do a paragraph element. Everyone loves cats online. Step 4. Commenting allows you to leave messages without affecting your browser's display. It also allows you to make code inactive. A comment in HTML starts with less than sign, exclamation mark, dash dash, contains any number of lines of the text and ends with a dash dash greater than sign. Here's an example of a comment with the to do remove H1. Let's see. Okay, so they want us to add a comment above the P element with this text. Okay. HTML5 has some elements that identify different content areas. These elements make your HTML easier to read and help with search engine optimization, SEO, and accessibility. The main element is used to represent the main content of the body of an HTML document. Content inside the main element should be unique to the document and should not be repeated in other parts of the document. So the example code has the main element, and inside the main element is a H1 and a P element. Identify the main section of this page by adding a main opening tag before the H1 element and a main closing tag after the P element. In the previous step, you put the H1, H2, comment, and P element inside the main element. This is called nesting. Nested elements should be placed 2 spaces to the right of the element they are nested in. This spacing is called indentation and is used to make HTML easier to read. Here's an example of nesting and indentation. Okay. The H1 element, H2 element, and comments are indented 2 spaces more than the main element in the code below. Use the space bar on your keyboard to add 2 more spaces in front of the P element so that it is indented properly as well. Okay. Okay. There we go. Step 7. You can add images to your website by using image element. Image elements have an opening tag without a closing tag. An element without a closing tag is known as a void element. Add an image element below the P element. At this point, no image will show up in the browser. So we're just adding that. So we're going to indent it, have it look in the same on the same line as the P tag. Well, not same line, but like right below it. But yeah. So that should be all we have to do is have an open image tag. Since this is a void element. Let's see if I'm right. Step 8. HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tag of an element to control the element's behavior. The source attribute in an element in an image element specifies the image URL where the image is located. Here is an example of an image element with the source attribute pointing to the FreeCodeCamp logo. Here's the example code to give. Inside the image element, add source attribute with this URL. Alright, so we're going to go ahead inside the image tag, put source src equals, we're going to take this, copy it, copy, paste, and don't forget to add the quotations beforehand. Honestly, it can be either way. It can be double quotations or single quotations, but it's just as long as they are the same. So as you can see, that worked. You know, the cat image has appeared on the page. So we're going to check our code. Step 9. All image elements should have an alt attribute. The alt attribute text is used for screen readers to improve accessibility and is displayed if the image fails to load. Here's an example of an image element with an alt attribute. Okay, that's the example, and then what it wants us to do is inside the image element add an alt attribute with this text. Copy that. And then inside, right after the source, I'm going to add the alt equals copy text. And don't forget to add the double quotations or single quotations. And there we go. Step 10. You can link to another page with the anchor element, A element. Here's an example linking to HTTPS The FreeCodeCamp website. Uh, and here, that's the example code. That's what it's supposed to look like. And it wants us to add an anchor element after the paragraph that links to https freecatphotoapp.com. At this point, the link will not show up in this preview, but it wants to add it. So we're going to do that after the image. Yeah, after the image, anchor tag, anchor element. Okay, need to go ahead and copy this website real quick. I put it on the wrong line. I was supposed to put it on right after. I was like, well, something doesn't look right. I was supposed to put it here. There you go. There you go. Just sure. Looks even. Okay. Oh shoot. I was like, something don't look right. Alright. You got me. I forgot the href. Forgot the href. I forgot to add that. There we go. I was like, something don't look right, but that's fine. Okay. Well, that's it for now. We'll do steps 11 through 20 when we come back. So, thanks for watching.